The best mobile application for music production on Android offers a comprehensive suite of features designed for both beginners and experienced producers. It provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to create, edit, and mix music on the go, making it convenient for users to work on their projects anytime and anywhere. Users can access a wide range of virtual instruments, including synthesizers and drum machines, enabling them to craft unique sounds and melodies that reflect their artistic vision. The application also supports multi-track recording, allowing you to layer different audio tracks to create complex compositions that can be fine-tuned to perfection. Additionally, it includes various effects and mixing tools to enhance your sound quality, such as equalizers, reverb, and compression, which are essential for achieving a polished final product. Collaboration is made easy with sharing options, letting you export your projects to various formats for easy sharing with others, fostering creativity and teamwork among musicians. The app is compatible with MIDI controllers, providing an added level of control over your music production process, which enhances the overall experience. With regular updates and a supportive community, this mobile app is versatile enough to meet a wide range of musical needs, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to dive into music production on their mobile device.